This is 60 Seconds of Science, brought to you by Pioneer. Plant breeding has always required meticulous observation, precise action, and consistent repetition. From Austrian monk Gregor Mendel, the father of genetics back in the mid-19th century, to agronomists and plant breeders today at Pioneer. The challenge of producing a better seed has not changed. What has changed are the techniques that can be applied in the modern age using computers, robotics, and automation.
As environments become more extreme, whether it's heat or frost or drought or excess water, we're going to need all our tools at our disposal to continue to advance productivity on our customers' farms.
Matt Smalley is the North American plant breeding lead for Pioneer and Corteva Agriscience.
Along with that comes a lot of data generated. We generate billions of genomic records, and we need advanced computing and algorithms to sort through all that data and turn it into a prediction, which can then be applied to potential hybrids to see how they might work on our customers' farms.
Putting the task in perspective, a single selection is the starting point.
For corn and soybeans, it almost always starts with a single plant, whether that's a putative double haploid, whether that's a plant pull from a soybean field, or an F2 plant in a conventional breeding nursery. The hybrids that are sold all across the U.S. and the world, almost all of them that are modernly derived start from a single plant.
There are ways to test plants to see if they'll measure up in a weather event. It's called precision phenotyping.
The way that we have attempted to do that is through technology. A good example of that is our Boreas wind machine that simulates root lodging and green snap. So our Boreas wind machine creates a very uniform environment, and then we can apply the wind pressure in a very uniform way to simulate the storm, but get reliable and predictable data.
Since Pioneer is moving into high tech in all aspects of plant breeding, the newest generation of genetic modification is called CRISPR technology. We'll look at it in our next podcast. This has been 60 Seconds of Science, brought to you by Pioneer.